The shear force and bending moment diagram generator calculates and displays the internal forces along a beam under various loading conditions. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have the support type drop-down menu. You can choose between simply supported, cantilever, or fixed beam configurations. For this demonstration, I'm selecting simply supported, which represents a beam supported at both ends. Next, we need to enter the beam length. This is where you specify the total length of your beam in your preferred units. Now for a worked example, I'll enter a beam length of 10 meters and keep the simply supported configuration. After clicking Calculate Diagrams, the Results section displays two critical outputs. The shear force diagram shows how the internal shear forces vary along the beam's length, helping you identify maximum shear locations. The bending moment diagram illustrates the bending moments throughout the beam, which is essential for determining the maximum stress points and required beam strength. These diagrams are fundamental for structural design, allowing engineers to properly size beams and ensure safety factors are met. This tool streamlines the analysis process for beam design calculations. Find the link in the description below.